Hello guys, I just want to show you that we don't really need to use Vagrant to separate our development environment from our desktop one. We can do that simply by installing the VirtualBox and install our favorite Linux distribution. In my case, I use Debian because Debian is the simplest definition of stability. It rocks. It has many packages and apps, almost all Linux apps and packages that are being ready for you to install them and use. Anyway, this is beyond this video. I'm not going to talk about Debian, but what I want to show you is, as I said, that we don't really need Vagrant to separate our development environment. Okay, now Vagrant has a unique, let's say, an easy and good way to share the folder that you are working on between the physical machine and the virtual one. So let's try that out. First, let's not like that. Okay. Debian SSH. Let's connect to that. Debian SSH. Okay. First, you see, to use almost nothing. 100 megs of RAM, and keep in mind the 100 is not the full 100 that are using. Some of them for the caching, some of them for the buffers, so not the real when. The load average in the last 1 minute 0.04, 3 still decreasing. The last 5 minutes 0.01, and the 15 minutes 0.01. Anyway, so now here is my shared folder that actually lives on my physical machine. Now we have that x.php folder, blah blah blah. Let's create a new file and name it blah.txt. Shall be created. Here it is. So if I want to add some text in it, this is just a test. Execute. This is just a test. Now let's edit it from our VirtualBox. Blah. And here is one more test. Shall review it, and here is one more test. So it's working on both sides, in our physical machine and again in our virtual one. Now let's check the Debian ds. Now here's our file we just created, blah.txt. This is just a test, and here is one more test. The PHP is working. Have installed PHP, the Apache server, the MySQL server and client, SSH, OpenSSL, samba, transmission. Yeah, the transmission is also working fine. 1991. See, here's the web graphical user interface. The web GUI, it's working. Again, what I want to say is you don't really need Vagrant. You can easily do it by yourself, and that will give you the ability to tweak everything you want, to install everything, update, remove, control everything as if it is actual. You know, the whole idea about VirtualBox. And you don't need to install any third-party applications like Vagrant, although they are doing a pretty good and decent. But what I want to say is, why do you want to use it since you can do it by yourself? Anyway, peace. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.